Hello children, good morning. So in our today's class we will learn about that how we can create tables. So for this here our class begin. So children, now we will learn about that how we can create database in MS Access and how we can open it and how we can save our files in the database. So first of all, that how we can open this MS Access. So you are having two methods. Either click on start button and you will search the office, here all programs, and then you will select the Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office you will select your MS Access. Okay? And otherwise second method is you will go on the desktop and do right click there, and from there you will select new option, and in that new option you will select your MS Access and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check your access file is here. You will double click on this file, your file will be open in front of you. Now in MS Access, that how we can create table, how we can create database, we will understand about this. So children, in version 7, okay, or we can say that in version 10, here in file tab is here, okay, in place of office button, and in version 7 and before this you will find here office button. When you are clicking on this, you will check few options are here. So from here you will select this new option. Okay, so from here you will select this new option. When you are clicking on this window will appear. From here you will select this blank database. When you are clicking on this blank database, what happened? That on right hand side you will check blank database, his file name. You will give any file name. Children, you will check here extension is .accdb. ACCDB means access database. This extension represents that this file is an access file and the name of the file is database2. Now you will check their location. That location is documents. So if you want to change the location, click on this folder button. When you are clicking on this folder button, you will check one window will appear. Now from here you will check where your file is stored. It is in libraries and in documents. So in place of this, if you want to change the location, either you will do click on this drop down arrow. From here you will select the location. Okay, otherwise second method is on the left hand side you will check here in which drive or where you want, you will select the location. From here I am selecting desktop and I am clicking here. When I am clicking here, you will check here file name is database2.accdb and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, your file will be saved there. Now you will click here on this create option. Okay, so what we learned here, that how we can create database. So for creating database, click on office button in version 7, or in version 10 you will click on here file tab is there, click there, and here is new option. When you are clicking on new, then click on this blank database. In blank database on right hand side you will check file name is here and location is here. If you want to change the location, click on this folder button. When you are clicking here, one window will appear. So from this window you will check the location or select the location and then click OK. When you create your database, means your location is set. Now you will click on this create button. When you are clicking on create, your database will be created. Okay, next is in your database tables are here. You will check that here in this topmost. Okay, in this topmost, this one is your title bar. Topmost one is your title bar. It will show the title that you are working in the database and the name of the file is database2. And after this you will check on left hand side, this one is your quick access toolbar. Now on downside, after this you are having ribbon containing tabs, and these tabs containing these groups, and here you will check that these groups are here. First one is when you are clicking on any tab, I am clicking on home tab. When you are clicking on any tab, you will check here these are the commands. These commands are here in these groups. Okay, so this one is your clipboard group, this one is your font group, rich text group, here is records group, sort and filter group. So many groups are there in all the tabs. Here different tabs are there: home tab, create tab, external data tab, database tools tab, and datasheet tab. So now you will check that after this, here on the left hand side, you are working in which tab, in which database, in which table. So every database is having so many tables. So here I have selected all tables, it will show all the tables. So here in this I am working in table 1 and this one is my table 1. I want to insert ma'am new table in the same database. This one is my 10th periwinkle. I want to insert one more table here. So for this, click on this create tab. When you are clicking on this create tab, you will check here groups, form group, report group for creating report, for creating table group is here. Sorry. Now you are having here, click on this table option. When you are clicking on this table option, you will check here two tables are there, table 2 and this one is table 1. So with this tabbed view, you will switch between different table and how many tables are there in this database. So this navigation pane shows all the tables here. If you want to switch between table, either you will click from here from this navigation pane. If you want to switch between table, you will either choose this one. Okay, this one is your tab view. And at the bottom, you will check this one is your status bar. Status bar represent the status, that how many tables are there in which specific table, how many records are there, and it will show different views. Okay, that in MS Word also we have seen so many views are there. So here on the status bar, you will check on this right corner, you will check here are the two views, data sheet view and design view. Okay, so with this also, with these two views, we are able to create the table. So first is that how we can create table. Children, in front of you, the view that is here, na, this one is your data sheet view. So in data sheet view, it is easy to create the table. First is in front of you, already it is given, adding field name. Double click on this one, you will write down the field name. I am writing name here. Okay, I am writing name here, you will check. And in this next column, children, by default data type is your text data type. The name you supplied is a reserved word. Okay, no problem. Now next field, click here. You will write down anything. I am writing roll number here. Next one, I am new field. I am clicking here. I am writing class here. So like this, I am creating the table. So here in the table, you know that in table, these are the field name, ID is a field name, field ka name. Okay. So complete table is having few columns, few rows. So row in a table is also known as record. So I am entering first record here. Name is Ram and roll number is 23. Class is 10. Next record I am inserting roll number 24, class 10. So in this manner we are creating the table in data sheet view. So like this we can create the table. Okay, I am inserting one more record after this and then we will continue with the next type, that is how we can create table in design view. Next name. Like this, children, you will insert all the records of your class students and in this manner you are creating the table of 10th periwinkle. Like this, you will create the table of all the sections, okay, in the database. So children, there are two type of views by which we can create table. So this one is my data sheet view. Data sheet view simple hai, that in front of you that ID column is there. Okay, that add field name is there. Double click on that one, add field column, and from here you will give the name to this field. I am giving section here. I am giving section here name and start filling the entries. So in this manner you can create table in data sheet view, and here you will check after creating the table, children, you will check I am not placing any primary key here. So database automatically added this one as primary key. Okay, ID field as primary key. So this one is my data sheet view. Next is that here you will check when you are clicking on this, when you are creating your table here in data sheet view automatically added. Take a data sheet view tab. So here you will click on this views option. You will check here two views, data sheet view and design view. So now my table is created. I am clicking on this view. You will give the name to this table. I am giving periwinkle and like this I am clicking on save. When I am clicking on save, you will check here field name and here data types. Okay, so I already told that by default data type is text. If I am entering new field, here I am entering new field, I am writing your date of birth. Okay, by default data type is text. If I am not selecting any data type, by default it will take text. Okay, so our today's task is that how we can create table. First is how we can create database. So for creating database, click on this office button, and in this office button click on this new option. When you are clicking on this new, do you want to save changes in this? Yes. So click on this blank database. After this, on right side you will check the file name. If you want to change the location, you will do, and then click on create option. Like this you can create the database. I have already created table, ma'am. Last week I have already created my table. I want to open that table only. Okay, it means opening an existing file. Opening an existing file in MS Access, how we can do. So again, for this, in version 7, click on this office button. If you are having version 10 or more than latest version than this, okay, then click here on file tab, and here you will check open option. So here so many options are there, just similar to your MS Word. Save and save as. Save option is for that when you want to do the same changes in this particular file. So for this, click on save option. Save as, ma'am. If I want to open the same file or I want to save the same file with some else name, for that save as option is there. Okay. If you want to publish it or email it, for these options are there. Our next option is open. Ma'am, I have already created my table last week. I want to open that existing table. So for that, click on this open option. When you are clicking on this, now from here you will select which one is your table. Select that one and then click on this open option. When you are clicking on this open option, the file is in use. Okay, I am working in this file. मैंने close नहीं किया है. So I'll open second file, database 2, and then click on this open option. First I'll close it and then again I will open it. So from here, this one is your database. I'm closing this one. Okay, and cancel this one. Now closing this one. Okay, now this one is my new database, database 1. इसको भी मैं close कर देती हूँ. First I open one database, and here I want to open my file. So for this, first I have to click on office button. This time I want to open my already existing file, then click on this office button. Okay, and then click on this open option. And now from here you will select your file. I am selecting this database 1 and then click on open. When we are doing this, then your previous file will be open. Okay. Now database 1 I have done nothing. So I will show you that my second file, database 2, that what I have done there, it will be saved. So I am clicking on this open option. So this one is my table 1. Name is the table is Periwinkle. I am double clicking on this one. Now this table is here in front of you. So what we have learned about that how we can create database, how we can create table. So for creating table, first is that in front of you, that here create table option is there. When you are clicking on this, in this tables group, you will found this table option. When you are clicking on this one, here your one window will appear. Children, look, if you are working, if you are creating so many table and you want to switch between table, first table is my Periwinkle table. So this one is tabbed window. So from here, between different tables are here. So from here I can do switching between different tabs. Or from the here, this one is navigation pane. In this database, how many tables are here? So from here also you will do the switch between the table. Double click on that specific table. Okay. So our next task is that how we can save our database. So for saving, I already told, click on this office button. Here is save option. Save is for saving all whatever changes you have done in that file, you want to save it. Save as is for I want to do whatever changes I have done. I want to save this file with some else name. Then for you will click on save as option. Then here you will write down what name you want. and save as table. Okay, otherwise you can do changes from here. Query form report किस form में हमें save करना है, and then click on OK. When you are clicking OK, your file will be saved with this new name. Children, our next task is that how we can exit from MS Access. How we can exit from MS Access? You are having two options. First is click on this office button. Here is option exit access. Okay, here is the option exit access. Either from here you will do the exit. Suppose in my database, suppose मैंने 2-3 files I have opened in the database. If I am clicking on this exit access, then I will move out from this access. ठीक है, complete access से मैं बाहर हो जाऊंगी. But if I am clicking on this close button on right corner, you know na that this one is your close button. When you are clicking on this close button, only this specific file will be closed. Okay, this is the difference between this exit and close button. If I am, suppose I have opened 4-5 files here of database. If I am clicking on this close button, then I'll move out from this file only. But if I am clicking on this exit access, then I will move out from all the files. Okay, so this is the difference between these two. Our next task is that how we can create table in MS Access. So children, for creating a table in MS Access, actually we are having two methods. First one is your data sheet view. Second one is your design view. So for creating table, data sheet view already there in front of you. Table आ जाता है एकदम सामने, and what one table is there in front of you. Now click on this add new field. Double click करो. First you have to give your field name. When we are creating table, you know ना that these horizontal rows, जो horizontal होता है, they are known as record, row record, and these vertical columns are known as field. These are the fields. And from here you will check that in the field I am writing here name. ठीक है, तो इस particular field का name क्या है? Name of this particular field, roll number. Class is the field name. Section is a field name. ठीक है, so this section is your field name. Now our next task is that how we can create table in design view. So children, when we are creating table, ये जैसे मैंने table create किया, ठीक है, so when we are creating table, you will check here some data type. In our previous class we have discussed in theory what is data type. Data type represent that this particular field hold what type of data. This thing we define in the data type. Next is here you will check name. When I am clicking on name, you will check data type is text. ठीक है, so I am creating this section. By default data type is your text. I am clicking on this section option, you will check text data type. When I am clicking on date of birth, you will check text data type. I want to change the date of type ma'am, data type ma'am, because here date of birth is a number type, but here sorry, but here you will check data type is text. I want to change this data type. So for this you will click on here, you will click check the or you will select the data type. I am selecting number here. Okay, now the setting of the field size property of one or more field has been changed to a shorter size. Okay, now here you will write down the data type. What data type I have selected? Number. But now I am inserting text here. देखो मैं जैसे text enter करूँगी in this data field, it will show me error. What error? The value you entered does not match to the number data type in this document. It means that value I am inserting, it is of text type ma'am, but the data type is number. So it means you have to insert number here only. Okay, so you will change the value here. I am writing 56. It will accept this value. It means, what does it mean? Ki ma'am, if data type is number, then that particular field will accept date number only. Acha. If data type is your text type, ma'am here data type is text, I am inserting number. It means यहाँ भी error आना चाहिए. ठीक है, I am inserting number, but ma'am it will not show any error. Why so? So children, first thing is that data type, by default data type जो होता है, it is text. ठीक है. Second thing is in number data field, if the field name field type is number type field is there, and I am trying to insert here text, it will show me error. But if in text data type I am inserting number, it will accept. Okay, अगर मैंने नंबर में टेक्स्ट इंसर्ट किया तो वो एरर शो करेगा, नंबर विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी टेक्स्ट. But in my text field I am inserting number, it will accept. So it means, ma'am, I am creating one new field and the field name is address, because my home address containing both the things. So in this I want to insert address, so means what data type I have to take? It means you have to take your text data type. Children, by default data type is text. Okay, so in this manner we can create the table in your datasheet view. Ma'am, is there any other method for creating table? Yes children, one more method is there, that is design view. ठीक है, so this one is datasheet view. Datasheet view में that when you are opening the database, fields are there, double click on that field name, then this one is your field name, roll number, class, these are the field name. ठीक है, field name containing different value, field name containing different value, same value of different people. ठीक है, if I am checking this field, it will containing name only of different people. But here you will check your record hold different values of same person. ठीक है, ये एक ही पर्सन की सारी चीजें हैं. So your record holding different values of same person, while your field holding same value of different person. It hold roll number only, it hold name only. So your field hold same value of different person, your record hold different values of same person. Okay, so children, this one is my datasheet view. Next we will learn about design view. In design view, as its name suggests, first we are designing the layout of the table. ठीक है, and then we insert the values. Here in datasheet view, the difference is कि यहाँ पे we are first giving the name and we start the entering, and in between I thought कि I want one more field, फटाफट से मैं आगे गई, I insert one more new field. But in design view you have to insert, you have to design all the fields, and then you will start inserting the values. Ma'am, how we can create this table in design view? So for creating anything in MS Access, you will click on this create tab. When you are clicking on this create tab, you are checking the here tables group. Here in this your tables option, here table design. So you will click on this table design option. When you are clicking on this table design option, you will check here field name. Field name means column का name, table में जो columns हैं उनके names. And here you have to select the data type. First field name I am inserting, here I am writing name, and when I am writing, children, by default data type is text. देखो जैसे मैंने यहाँ से move किया, it will show me that by default data type is text. If you want to change the data type, click on this drop down arrow. Here list of all the data types. From here you will select any of the data type. So this one is your first field name. Second field name I am inserting class. So here you will insert, by default data type is text. Now from here you will select any other data type. I am selecting number. Next is you will insert next field name. I am writing roll number. Now data type by default is text. So by default जैसे मैं click करूँगी automatic text tab पे. If you want to change this data type, from here you will select the data type. Okay, and after if you have done all the fields name you have done, then click on this view option. When you are clicking on this view, first you have to save this table, yes, and then table 2 name is there. Okay, and now although the primary key is not required, it is highly recommended a table must have a primary key. ठीक है, so it means you have to select primary key. If you are not placing any primary key, then ID field that MS Access automatically added to protect your database from data redundancy. Redundancy means duplicacy. What is duplicacy? Children, look, I am writing here name DF, class 10, roll number 23. So I want to insert the same record with the same name DF, same class 10 and same roll number 23. Done. It will accept both the records. मैम यू सेड कि प्राइमरी की जो होता है उसमें हम कोई भी फील्ड में डबल रिकॉर्ड, अब व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन कि दैट सेम रिकॉर्ड इज इंसर्टेड और सेम रिकॉर्ड इज सेव्ड इन द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी और इन द डेटाबेस. मैम ये तो डुप्लीकेसी हो गई. Children, here if you are not inserting any field as primary key, then it automatically add ID field as primary key, and this ID field represent that this one is record number 1, this one is record number 2, and this ID field distinguish these two records. Okay. Ma'am, I want to create my own primary key, then how we can do? So first you have to open your table in design view. Okay, design view. And now from here you will select any of your field name. I am selecting name. And now from here in design view, देखो यहाँ पे आ गया primary key option. You will click here. When you are clicking on this one, you will check that key जो option था वो अब ID field से remove होके यहाँ आ गया. I am selecting ID field. I am clicking on this primary key option. You will check जो अब key option था, it is now here. It represents that ID field is a primary key, and it will not accept any what we can say repeated value. ठीक है, डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू आईडी फील्ड होल्ड नहीं कर सकता. नाउ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग नेम एज प्राइमरी की एंड आई एम क्लिकिंग हियर प्राइमरी की ऑप्शन, एंड नाउ इट मीन्स दैट नेम इज माय प्राइमरी की. नाउ मैम आई एम सेविंग दिस वन एंड नाउ माय टेबल इज सेव. ओके, you will check that the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate value in the index primary key or relationship. Why this error here? Because जब मैंने ये table create किया and when I am inserting values here, records in this, you know ना that मैंने किसको set किया है? मैंने name को primary set किया है और name field I have already वहाँ पे I have already placed duplicate value there. DF name मैंने double बार repeat किया था. Now I am clicking OK. ठीक है, एरर वर एनकाउंटर ड्यूरिंग द सेव ऑपरेशन. जैसे ही मैं इस पे ओके करूंगी, व्हाट हैपन, ऑटोमेटिकली वो वहाँ से वैल्यू होगी वो रिप्लेस हो जाएगी. नाउ आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस व्यू एंड सेव. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेंज द प्राइमरी की. अभी पहले मुझे वहाँ जाके वैल्यू चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. देखो आई एम सेलेक्टिंग आईडी फील्ड एज प्राइमरी की एंड आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन द सेव. जैसे ही मैंने सेव किया, नो प्रॉब्लम, माई टेबल इज हियर बिकॉज आईडी फील्ड ऑलरेडी कंटेनिंग डिफरेंट वैल्यू. नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ DF आई एम गिविंग डिफरेंट नेम DFF. नाउ आई एम सेविंग दिस वन एज प्राइमरी की. सो फर्स्ट आई हैव ओपन माई टेबल इन डिजाइन व्यू and when I am creating design view, here is primary key option. Now in place of ID I am selecting name as primary key and then I am clicking on this primary key option, and now I am saving this. ठीक है, now I am clicking on view. First you have to save the table. Okay, now this time it will take it as primary key, means name is a primary key field. Now children, I want to give the duplicate value in this primary key. You will check, it will not accept. I am writing DF. I am writing here 10. I am writing here roll number 23. Now when I am inserting new record, जैसे मैं new पे click करूँगी, one error will appear. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because you will creating duplicate value in the index primary key field. It means I am inserting duplicate value there, so it will not accept this value. When I am clicking OK, जब तक मैं changes नहीं करूँगी, it will not allow me to move on to the next record. Again I am clicking on next record. Again it will show me error. So it means first I have to change the value. I am writing here DFG and then I am clicking on the new. It allows me. Okay. So children, we are winding this class here only, and in our next class we will learn the few more concepts in this MS Access. So thank you for listening me. If you found any problem, I am here to solve it. So thank you for listening me.